everyone, how are you? I hope you watched the first video of our chapter. I hope you understood. Today this video is dealing the remaining portion of our chapter. Okay, let's start. Okay, as we know the story of the Patrick and about his homework and at last one elf ready to help him. It was a promise and he was very surprised. And first it was very difficult because he want to help the elf. In the case of maths, English and history, he want to help him a lot. At last, in the end of the semester, after 35 days, he got full A's, and he was all are amazed because he was a good boy. He was the role model of the everyone that we learn. And at the end, we learned that the homework was done by not elf. It was homework by Patrick himself. It was done by Patrick himself. Okay. Now let us go to write the question and answers. Today I'll give you the question and answers, and not only question answer and other textual activities we want to do. One speaking activity is there, but that we can do later. Question number 1. What did Patrick think his cat was playing with? What was it really? Question is clear. Patrick thought that his cat was playing with a little doll. It was in fact a very small sized man, an elf. I think you are clear. Patrick thought that his cat was playing with a little doll, but really it was not a doll, it was a tiniest man, an elf. Question number 2. What did the little man grant Patrick a wish? Patrick had saved the tiny man's life from the cat by not handing him back to the cat. So he promised to fulfill one wish of Patrick. Patrick saved a tiny man's life from a cat and not given him back to the cat. So he offered one promise that he will be fulfill one of the wish of Patrick. Question number 3. What was Patrick's wish? Patrick hated doing homework. His greatest wish was that the little man should do all his homework till the end of the session or semester. Patrick, as we know, Patrick don't like to do homework. His great wish was the little man should do all his homework till the end of the semester, session or means semester, that you can write both. In what subject did the little man need help to do Patrick's homework? Which subject need help? The little man needed Patrick's help in maths, English and history. The elf need these 3 subjects, maths, English and history. Next question. How did Patrick help him? Patrick sat beside the little man and guided him. He brought books from the library and read out to him. Question number 6. What do you think Patrick's homework? The little man or Patrick himself? Give reason for your answer. It was Patrick himself who actually did all the homework. He had to help the elf again and again with the guidance and books. So it was done by Patrick himself. So this question answer you have to write in your notebook and show to me. Next, working with language. Fill in the blanks in the sentence below with your words phrase from the box. You may not know the meaning of words, look the dictionary or ask your teacher. Words are out of luck, mystery, true to his word, chorus, semester, between you and me, look up. Some people find household dash a bore, but I like to help at home. Some people find household chores a bore, but I like to help him. Here I am given all the answers. You have to write. If you have textbook, you write a textbook itself. Others write in your notebook. Who stolen the diamond is still a mystery. This semester, we are going to have class exhibition. True to his word, the elf began to help Patrick. Can you dash this word in the dictionary? Can you look up this word in the dictionary? I started early to be on time, but I was dash. There was a traffic jam. I started early to be on time, but I was out of luck. There is no luck. There was a traffic jam. She says she's got a lot of books, but dash, I think most of them are borrowed. She says she's got a lot of books, but between you and me, I think most of them are borrowed. Okay, these words you learn in the textbook itself. So try to complete yourself. Okay, so after completing this one, next one is use the clues given below to complete this crossword puzzle. Here, so many crossword and downwards are here. Here is a puzzle also. So you have to complete by the help of clues. So here I am given the answers also. So you have to try to complete yourself. After that, you have to check it. It is very easy. I think it's clear. All the words are its meaning. Very tired. First, you look question number 1 across. Very tired. Very. So you know how to complete a crossword puzzle. It's very simple and you have to do yourself. Fourth one, a fault in a machine that prevent it from working properly, glitch. Fifth, a small and naughty boy fairy, that is elf. Then down one, work that must be done every day, often boring. Chorus, a basket with a lid. Hamper. Then a gave a short, high-pitched cry. So you know every words, and by the help of this video also you have to complete in your textbook. If there is no textbook, you have to do yourself. Next one is a speaking one that we can do later. Next to writing. This is a story has a lot of rhyming words as a poem does. Can you write out some parts of it like a poem so that the rhymes come and end and separate lines? For example, Patrick never did homework, too boring, he said. He played baseball and hockey and Nintendo himself. So you can write like that. The man of the tiniest size was true to his word and wise. Here size and wise, like same rhyming. Patrick saved the elf from the cat. The elf promised to do all that. So cat that. Patrick loved sports and hated homework. He wasted his time and studied shirk. The work shirk, both are same. So this is an example I given. So you have to try to write one more else. Then look at this sentence. Too boring, he said. Cleaned his room, did his chores. When we speak, we often leave out words that can easily be guessed. We do not do this when we write, unless we are trying to write as we speak. So we know too boring. Here too boring means he don't like to do his homework. That it was too boring. Cleaned his room means he cleaned his room and did his course. We understood some words, but the words are not completed, but we can understood. So same kind of words are there. So here is the remaining portion is, if we are write carefully, we would say homework is too boring, he said. But here look that sentence, too boring, he said. But we understood homework is too boring. Then he cleaned his room. Did he chores means we understood that. So same like that. Rewrite the following incomplete sentence carefully so that the reader does not have guess what is left out. More and more books, too difficult, got up late, miss up the bus, solve the mystery. So here is some words, incomplete words. So you have to complete it with the meaningful sentences. So here also I am given the answers. more and more books. The writers and poets read more and more books. So the sentence is complete and everyone can understand. Too difficult. This personal questions is too difficult to answer. Got up late, missed the bus. When I got up late yesterday morning, I missed the school bus. Next one, solve the mystery. Lord Krishna solved the mystery of life and death. So I think okay. So let us continue. Look at the cartoon by R.K. Lakshman. Read the sentence given below the cartoon. Discuss the following question with your partner. Here is no partner, so you have to write your own answer. Question, then answer. Here I am giving the answer also. So write down. So you can see there is 3 questions and there is 3 question and you have to see one picture also. Question number 1, it is about. What is it about? It is about a father's concern about his child. So you can see one picture. Here is father is talking with one another and boy is studying there. So do you find it's funny? If so, why? So here, get on with your homework, the sum, the complete composition, history, geography, chemistry, physics, and stop reading the law against child labor. So here the father is trying to do work hard, but the child is reading about law against child labor. So we can feel it is a funniest thing. So question number 2, do you find it funny? If so, why? So it's we can feel it's funny because the father is telling about work hard, but the child is reading law against child labor. So we can feel it is funny. So answer is yes, the cartoon is really funny one. Father ordered the child to labor, to work hard with his studies, but he forbids the boy from read the law against child labor. So we can feel it's a funniest thing. Okay. So question number 3. Do you think a cartoon is a serious drawing? Why or why not? So what do you feel when seeing this cartoon? Is a serious drawing or it's a funny? If the answer is why or why not, you have to write the reason. So answer is, a cartoon is chiefly meant to make us laugh. It is also a serious drawing in some sense. It draws our attention to problem to affect us all. So this is mainly focusing about some we can feel it's a serious drawing, but it's focus our attention. Okay, I hope you understood. So you write this question answer textual work in your notebook and show it to me. If you have textbook, you have to complete in your textbook itself. Okay, thank you.